Hello there, I'm Will Williamson from the JDR Group. Now if you're looking for a new website or you want to improve your website or develop your website, then JDR are the perfect partner for you. And in this short video I just want to explain a little bit more about how we can help you to develop a website that really makes a difference to your business, that generates leads, that inquiries, one that attracts sales, and one that acts as the cornerstone for all of your marketing. You see, we've built hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of websites over the years. So if you're looking for, basically an online version of your brochure, or a 10-page website that tells everyone about your products and services, or you want a website that is going to have people be able to buy your products online, an e-commerce site, we can do that for you, no problem. We've done it hundreds and hundreds of times. But my guess is you're looking for a website not just because you want a website for the sake of it, but because you want a website that's going to make a difference to your business. You want a website that's going to get traffic, that's going to get leads, that's going to get sales, and that's going to help you grow as a company and get more income and all of those great things. Now, where we're able to help is not just to provide a website, but to provide a whole web marketing strategy that goes beyond just the website, but also into how the site gets found in Google, how you use social media to your advantage, how to use online content, video, blog articles, infographics, how you use email marketing so that all these things come together into a whole marketing strategy. Now, if you're open to the idea of finding out a bit about how we can help you with your website, with your business, with your project, then click here. Just tell us a little bit more about your business or the project you've got in mind. You might have a brief, you might have an idea of what you're looking for already, or you might just know, I need a website, I'd like to talk to someone about it. Either way, if you just click here and fill in a couple of details, that will tell us a little bit more about your business, and one of our team will be in touch with you to start to explain a bit about how we could help. There's no cost to that, it's just to start that initial conversation with you. Now, there are a lot of website companies out there. So, what makes JDR different to any of the other website designers that you'll walk past on the way to our office? And the answer to that is, well, first of all, there aren't that many website design companies that have been going since 2004. And there aren't many website design companies that can also help in all of those other areas, the search engine marketing, the social media, all of those different elements. The big thing that separates us from your average website designer is that we're a marketing company rather than just a website designer. In other words, what we want to do is to help create a website for you that is part of an overall marketing strategy that attracts traffic, that drives leads and inquiries for you, that converts sales, and that helps you attract new customers and grow your business. And we have the experience and the team and the expertise to be able to do that. So once again, if you click here on this video, tell us a little bit more about your business, about your project, and we'll be able to start that conversation and see where it takes us. Now, the million-dollar question here is, well, how much is this actually going to cost? How much does a website cost? How much do you charge? And I know there are, there's lots of places you can go and their website costs will be on their website. Well, we don't do that. And there's a reason why we don't do that. It's because every website is different, every business is different. And sometimes it's not just about the website itself, it has to be part of something that's bigger. So every project we do is different and it varies, but what we do is to tailor it to your budget, to your business, to your needs, and to the goals that you've got and what you're trying to achieve. But as I said, what we want to do is to make sure that it works for your business rather than just being a nice pretty website. Now, another question we get asked a lot is what software? Do you build in WordPress? Do you build in Magento, etc.? Now, the answer to those is yes. We've worked with WordPress, with Drupal, with Joomla, with Magento, OpenCart, Shopify, you name it. We've worked in the different softwares. We've actually also developed our very own e-commerce and website content management system, and it's called JDR Enterprise. Now, we believe it's as good as anything out there on the marketplace right now, and in most cases it's a better solution. So we've developed our own software. We've also worked with some of the most common open source software that you'll see out and about. So whatever you need your website building in, we can do it, but we would also make a recommendation on the right platform for you based on your needs and based on your budget and based on your brief. Now the final question is, right, so getting a website is one thing, but what's the point of having a website if no one can find it? So getting a website that is going to be coming up in Google, that people are going to be able to find online, is absolutely vital. And that's where what I've been saying about being part of a bigger strategy is so vital, because Google now look at thousands of different criteria on your website, and it's partly to do with the way that the website is designed, it's partly to do with some of the technical aspects of your website, but it's also partly to do with some what we call off-site factors. So search engine optimization is something of a speciality of ours. It's something we've been doing for a long time. We've got expertise in it, and that's something that we can bake into your website from the very outset and be part of our strategy going forward. And that is something that you do not get with every website company. There are time and time again we come across websites that look fantastic, but you just cannot find them because the people that built them are designers, they're not search engine specialists. So once again, if you click here, tell us a bit more about your business, and we will come back to you and we'll tell you a bit about how we can help you, make some recommendations, give you some tips, give you some advice going forward. It's a free service, so I encourage you to take that first step. So I'm Will Williamson, and I really look forward to hearing from you and working with you on your new project.